Welcome back. Today I will be making peanut butter filled dates and a Greek yogurt dessert. These are quick and easy snack recipes which take under 5 minutes. Are you ready? Let's do this. Fill a small plate with your best medjool dates. Slice open the dates. Be sure to open them as wide as possible before taking out the pits. Now fill the dates with your favorite peanut butter flavor. Useful tip is to use 2 spoons, one to fill and then the other to wipe off the excess. And finally, melt some chocolate. You can use vegan chocolate and drizzle them over the dates. That's all it takes, all done. Your peanut butter filled dates. Moving on to my next recipe, grab yourself a bowl and add 1 cup of lactose-free Greek yogurt. Now choose your favorite peanut butter and add a quarter measurement. Then add 2 teaspoons of golden syrup. And lastly, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're ready to give it a good mix. I found it easier to use a larger bowl and whisk until it's all thick and creamy. To an empty dessert glass, add some crushed free-from digestive biscuits. Next, drop a couple of spoonfuls of your yogurt. Finishing off with your favorite summer berries. You can also try sliced bananas or even mango pieces. There you have it, your Greek yogurt dessert. Follow my cooking series where I showcase my culinary skills, making meals that are healthy, high in protein, non-greasy, lactose and gluten-free.